Hey, what's going on everyone? Today I will be attempting to set a new world record for the Ghost and Phantom 2. This is set 75357, coming in at 1,394 pieces, and based on that piece count, I'm guessing I'm gonna get a 2.5 hour build time. Now, as usual with our speed build world records, there are two rules. One, the timer starts as soon as the box is open. This box is completely sealed, no funny business. And number two, I gotta finish all the building instructions in the instruction booklet. I also made sure to check on my Lego laptop across the internet, on Lego forums, websites, anything, and I couldn't find any recorded times on this build. That means we will be setting the world record for this set, so let's start building. We did it, guys. We beat both our prediction and we set a new world record.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
built
sir.
this set in 2 hours, 28 minutes, and 38 seconds. Got all the minifigures here. We got the Ghost and the Phantom back here. Let me know what else you guys want to see me build and break a new world record for. I'm gonna go drop this. See you guys later.